Here we have, looking up the beautiful Umpqua River here in Reedsport. Look at this beautiful port. Look across the way there, and that's the Smith River coming in. And wrong time of day to be taking these, and here comes the wind. There we have the railroad bridge. And down there, the bay and the Big Bend, and the city shipyard down there that Fred's been renting. Of course, now he's moved over there to Bowlin Island because the American Bridge joke failed terribly. I used to work for American Bridge. They were a 110-year-old company, American company, one of the best. A lot of people don't realize that Reedsport, I'm going to get out of this wind. A lot of people don't realize that here in Reedsport, that this little community was known for its bridge builders. Little Bull Construction and Ross Brothers and Hamilton. Yeah, a lot of guys have made their living building bridges out of the Reedsport area here. My next father-in-law did. It's just the thing. I love building bridges as an iron worker and a crane operator. But yeah, when American Bridge came in here, and they were bought out by a Chinese company called the Ying family, and they went non-union. They came here and they put in a plant to build bridge beams. And I had a hard time getting on out there. I guess my resume scared the hell out of them because I'd actually worked for American Bridge and done several successful, bridge jobs around the country with American Bridge. But actually it was American Bridge and Crane at the time. But the point is they couldn't figure out how to weld these beams up and get the correct camber and canter to them. And they had some structural failures on a couple of the contracts. And boy, when they did finally hire me, with all the qualifications I had in my resume, they refused to put me work to correct any of the problems. And with the beams, as far as supervision, they put me as apprentice paint sprayer and sandblaster, which I'd done on and off in the shipyard for years. Anyhow, kind of the story of American Bridge. If you were qualified, they didn't want you anywhere near that place. And if you didn't know a thing and you'd work for $8 or $10 an hour, maybe 12, I think that's what I was getting out there, was $12 an hour. It had been a journeyman from the time I was 25 years old. But anyhow, this is Reedsport. What a beautiful area. We really need to look towards all of us getting together. Elkton, Drain, Scottsburg. Hey, we were a county. We were the county of Umpqua. And I've gotten a comment in the comments section from a local guy named Kevin Friese that says, "Are you stupid? Are you stupid suggesting a county of 2,200 people?" Well, Mr. Friese, that name sounds really familiar. I think you're a relative of mine. But anyhow, Mr. Friese, if you would have done your research and seen the geographic location and outlay registered with the state, the Secretary of State of Oregon, that shows the geographic description of Umpqua County, then you would realize that it encompasses far more than 2,000 or 2,200 people. So I don't even know how to answer your question, Mr. Kevin Friese. Am I stupid? No, I'm kind of computer illiterate. But you know what? I was able to hit the old Google search there and find the county of Umpqua and its geographic location and layout and double check the residents there, and it's pretty easy to come up with a figure, and that figure is way bigger than 2,200. So find that other button, Mr. Friese, and Google it. Google Umpqua County. and see what you come up with as for a tax-based number of people. Anyhow, light and love. Don't mean to pick on you, Mr. Friese, but you made the comments. You're going to be a big boy. And do your research before you ask a question. I'm more than happy to address questions here at Reedsport Legal as well as the staff. Thank God I have a little bit of help because we all don't know everything. But Mr. Friese, you might want to vet your facts before you make a public comment. More than happy to answer them anytime. Light and love here from Reedsport. You know, you get more with honey than you do with vinegar. So light and love from Reedsport. Get informed. Do your research, people, before you ask these questions. Signing off. Long live the Republic.